Are you currently in the market for a home, but have you been losing out to other offers that are stronger than yours? If you have, you really need to look at your offer strategy. If you're wondering what an offer strategy is, you need to figure that out and figure it out fast. A strong offer strategy is where your lender and your realtor work together on a variety of factors to make your offer as strong as possible when you present it. So those factors are usually, well, let's start with the most basic one, which is so basic I hate to even mention it, your pre-approval letter. Your pre-approval needs to be as buttoned up as possible. Your lender needs to have reviewed your credit, your income, and your asset documentation. And ideally, you're working with a local lender that the real estate agents here know and trust. The second one is your offer price. Duh. Sellers obviously want the highest offer price possible. And while you're making this price and coming up with what you think it should be, just keep in mind that every $10,000 in your mortgage is going to be roughly $65 per month. So an extra 20 grand in your offer price is roughly $130 per month. Think about what you spend $130 per month on. We don't want you to overpay, but we are talking about your next home. So it is important to kind of keep that in mind. Next up is a possible appraisal gap waiver. In this market, many offers are coming in above list price. In the greater Chicago market, we see that all the time. 10 grand over, 20 grand over, 30 grand over, sometimes even more than that. Well, what's happening in this market is that appraisals and values have not yet caught up with some of these purchase prices. So it's possible that your appraisal might come in lower than your offer price. As an example, say you're buying a home, it's listed at $500,000. You offer $525,000, you and your agent would probably complete an appraisal gap waiver to cover the difference between list price and $525,000, and that gives the seller the confidence that you're going to be able to go through with this even if the appraisal doesn't come in at that $525,000 offer price. Most people think you need to come out of pocket with that for the $25,000 difference in cash. Oftentimes you can adjust your loan terms and not come out of pocket with anything else or any additional dollars. Next up is your inspection. Most buyers in this market are making an offer that says inspection with no requests. That's really just a pass-fail inspection. So you can still inspect the property. If it's a single-family home and there's some catastrophic problem with the roof, you can still get out of the contract with an inspection that says no requests. But you're basically telling the seller, hey, we're not going to nickel and dime you on each and every request that comes up in an inspection. That's the subject we could discuss for a while, but that is really important to talk to your agent about it. And last but not least is your lender needs to call the listing agent on your behalf to advocate for you. So the call goes something like this. Hey, this is Mike Dula with United Home Loans. I just want you to know that we're working with your clients, John and Linda Smith. We have pre-approved them. We have reviewed their income. We've reviewed their assets. We've reviewed their credit. We can't share you those specific details, but we can tell you they are thoroughly vetted, thoroughly approved, and are a great risk for your sellers. Also, United Home Loans is a local lender. We use local appraisers. Underwriting is in-house, so when you're working with us, you know you're working with somebody that controls the entire process from start to finish. And that matters. That matters to a seller. It matters to a listing agent. If your current lender is not doing those things for you, please reach out to United Home Loans. We can help you with that. Thanks and good luck out there.